My name is Juan Carlos Estrella. I am the CEO of the company NTGS. Our company is mainly focused in automatic and mobile mortar systems and mortar ammunition as the one that you can see also here. We work for both calibers, both main calibers, 120 millimeters and 81 millimeters. And the main advantage of our product is that they are practically agnostic in everything, in ammunition, in barrel, and in vehicle, as you can see in this unit here. We can put it in almost any vehicle. Here we are we are showing two systems. One is the most famous, the 120 millimeters, the Alakran, fully automatic. And the other one is this new configuration that you can see here. It's using the manual or semi-automatic version of the system, thinking ideally for 81 millimeters, transport 60 rounds of 81 millimeters. The system is very light, and together with the ammunition, it is below 600 kilograms. We can put it, as you can see here, in a very agnostic vehicle. You don't need it doesn't have to be military. When you have the vehicle with the doors closed, nobody will know that you are transporting a weapon system in it. One of the main properties or characteristics of the system is the base plate that allow us to shoot from any kind of surface. In this case, we can also shoot from asphalt. This combination or this configuration is ideal for urban operations. As any international exhibition, we are trying to get the attention of other customers from other countries, and also to introduce this possibility, because the Alakran system has achieved so far is at least change the rules of the use of a mortar weapon. The mortar operation was very slow. With the Alakran now we can have a mortar ready for shoot in less than 15 seconds instead of 25 minutes or almost 30 minutes. And also the retrieve from the mortar is very simple, as you can see it in the automatic version or also in this semi-automatic.
So I'm Igor Mayunov, co-founder and president of Aerix Systems. And Aerix Systems is a company that creates fast and hyper-maneuverable drones for different purposes, such as defense, like counter-drone systems or loitering munition. We have three products. Here there is just two, but the first one is the smallest one, is a short range, about 20 kilometer drones. We have two other biggest, one for 40 kilometers and one for 60. They are respectively named IXS Micro 1, then IXS S1, and the last one, the biggest one, just next to me, is IXS M1. Basically, SOFINS is the third edition that we are participated. This year is quite special for us because this is the first time that we released our first defense product, the IXS Micro 1. It is the smallest systems. Previously, we were looking to find our markets, our positioning. Then now we just send and show the products resulting from the other show before. We have quite good contacts and validating the product, but also the positioning of Aerix Systems. For maritime application, our main application is about counter-drone systems. Thanks to this drone and these propulsion systems, we are able to take off and land in hard sea on boats. About the specificities of the drones, we are able to target an UAV threatening the boats, when you send the 3D coordinates nearly of the target, the drone will fly till this target, the near target, and after, when the camera will catch the objective, we will align, in fact, all the frame of the systems with the camera frame and the frame of the target. Then we behave like a seeker and hunt up to do an hit-to-kill approach with this system. Our main objective for us is not to develop a fully complete drones, it's more to develop a platform. In fact, the platform, what is the platform? Is propulsion systems with an airframe and all the GNC part. It's the guidance, navigation, and law of control in order to make it fly well. Then after, we propose these systems to integrator, and we let them dedicate this machine for specific application. So basically, we decide to reduce the integration level in order to distribute it for the most integrator possible.
My name is Christian Pietiläinen. I'm commercial responsible for Bittium, defense and secure communication product lines.
My name is Marko Laukkanen from Bittium. I'm the head of the professional service team. Our main products here in the exhibition are the tough SDR radios, starting with vehicular radio, and another one is of course the handheld radio for the soldiers. Vehicular radio, so it's having two of the radio antenna ports. So it's dual radio. We can operate with two different waveforms or two same waveforms at the same time, having several different types of configuration with vehicular radio. The size and the form factory for the radio is so that it can fit to almost all different vehicles and platforms. With our radios, we have also here our VoIP products, so field phone from the Bittium and the ComNode based on the VoIP solution by the Bittium, and offering the voice service for our customers to operate on the field, wired voice service or wireless voice service with our radios. Bittium Tough Mobile, it's for the end user device for the soldiers, for the users. They can have the PMS softwares, messaging softwares, of course usual phone calls, cellular network usage, and so on. Also, we have our software products presented here. Bittium Network Manager Tour for the observing the nodes on the map on the field. We are currently having here the live demonstration of our capability with our handheld radios. So one handheld radio here is receiving the signal, and another one is sending from the shoulder, having the video stream from the Tough Mobile over the air, receiving the radio, and getting the other Tough Mobile to the video stream. So Bittium Tactical Ecosystem, as we like to call it, offers for our customer full solution with our products based on the radio products, and we are also offering the voice services, messaging services with our VoIP solutions based on the field phones, based on the software products. Also, we have the end user devices for our customers as a part of the full system. With this solution, we can fulfill customers' needs as a full ecosystem, starting from the soldier level up to command post, up to brigade, and we can cover all the army needs with our solution.
The exhibition has been very interesting for us. We have had very good discussions. We are looking very, very positively in the market also in the coming year as Bittium, and working together with our partner Orbitica here in France.